we're fortunate that our friend Pawan Agrawal, who was unable to speak previously, had his slot, but is now able to join us and hopefully can now do his talk for us. Pawan Agrawal is the CEO of Prabhat Prakashan and has been studying the Sanatan Dharma for many years. So welcome, sir, and do share with us your thoughts.
Welcome, Namaskar. Thank you, Thomas. First of all, I apologize for getting into the meeting room so late. And as you mentioned, I have never practiced a lot of things about Sanatan Dharma. But yes, I believe. And first of all, I would just like to mention one thing. Then Sanatan Dharma is not anything. It's a Dharma. We should try to pronounce as Dharma. It's all westernized that they have been calling Rama, Krishna, Sita. Actually, we have to correct the things simultaneously. So when we say about Sanatan Dharma, that is something Dharma, as Neeraji was also telling, and as Gulab Kothari also mentioned about it. It's a seed. And Sanatan Dharma is the only Dharma, which starts right from the inception of the universe, and it will continue. We don't know for how many thousand years the Sanatan Dharma has been, but as we practice Sanatan Dharma, as we go deeper, we find it more interesting. I'll just give you a very simple example. Everybody has the electricity at home, at office. That electricity is same, but we have a separate switches for AC, separate switch for fan, light, everything. So this is something like Sanatan Dharma is flowing everywhere in the universe. People who try to understand, they get the gist of it, and then they go deeper and deeper every day. And when we start doing this practice, we are feeling very relaxed. I see the people, who work 14 hours, 16 hours, 18 hours a day, but they don't feel fatigue because they're simultaneously practicing certain things from Sanatan Dharma. I mean, how you balance with your colleagues, how you balance in your family, how you balance with your wife, with your kids, that is being taught by Sanatan Dharma. And Sanatan Dharma is basically absolutely based on scientific reasonings. It's not a religion that we are talking about. How do we live the life? How we have to balance with our youngers? How we have to balance with our elders? It is basically sanskars, which starts from our home. And as Neeraji was mentioning, that women play a very vital role in this. So I agree 100% with her that yes, women do play a very vital role in our families. And now that the women are working almost in every field, and they are the actually preachers who guide the people working across the globe. I have seen people from various other religions who also practice Sanatan Dharma, and they believe it. Otherwise, I would just say, Neeraji was telling about people tree. She was telling about Tulsi. What is all this? These are all scientific reasons. Our saints were not just saints. They were actually a very, very thoroughly studied scientists, which are far, far better than anyone else. They knew how our society is going to transform, how the latest scientific things are going to come in the society. Today we are talking with each other because of the science. So this is the recent science. We have a very small bird, which is very ugly. It's crow. But there's a time in our year, according to Sanatan Dharma, we offer certain things to crow as well. Forget about any other animal or any other bird or tree. We have a respect for everything, be it a river, it's mountain, it's even oceans, even Bhumi, everything. And this is the beauty of Sanatan Dharma. No one else can define this feeling of attachment with the universe. And when we say the feeling of attachment with the universe, that means with everything in totality. It's just not that we go to a temple, we worship there for half an hour, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, Shiva, Rama, or Hanuman. But it is the way of life which we have to live. So this is all. I don't have any expertise on the subject, but I'm thank you to Dr. Siddharth that he invited me to join all of you who are much more senior to me and much more having command on the subject. So I'm very thankful that I got this opportunity to, and I'm really feeling honored that I've been invited into this. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you for your comments, Pawan Agrawal.